But nah, man, we on our way to work, dog. You know what I'm saying? Today's been a really, like, y'all, today's been a really good day. Like, today's really just, like, touched my soul and, like, bro, let's keep the cut, bro. It ain't the best, but I feel like a different man. So we're on 75 right now, going to work. Update on, you know what I'm saying, a little car situation. So basically, I'm getting a new car, but I'm not getting the one, like, that I want to get. I'm getting it eventually. I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting it eventually. So right now, my dad is in the market for a new car. He want a Scat Pack, just like I want it. I'll show you when he get his. But he gonna get his. What I'm gonna do, he's not gonna trade his car. He's gonna give his Charger to me. It's a SXT, like the base model. He got like black rims on it and everything. It's all black. I ain't glad, boy. I'm gonna do some things to that. Ooh, I'm gonna do some things to that car. Pause. Do some things to that car, boy. But after a year of me having that car, I'm gonna buy me a brand new, you know what I'm saying, Scat. Alright, but in all seriousness, I'm gonna get his car. He's gonna trade his. He's not gonna trade his in. I'm gonna get his car, and we're just gonna have 3 vehicles. This one going to my dudes. My mom don't have a car, so we're gonna give her, you know what I'm saying, the little price to his money. But yeah, I'll catch y'all when the next time y'all see me.
Intake directly, like there's a big argument in the car community that cold air intakes don't really do anything because you're just sucking in hot air. But that counteracts that argument directly.
Yes, sir.
Big boy Scat.
How you feel right now, Dad?
Motorcycle accident.
See how this feels.
What a moment that must have been. Jessica,
Feel free to connect your phone
the
to it if
fact
you want
that
before we
this
go.
motorcycle accident happened in
Oh.
Colorado and you're from Idaho. You were in the hospital
You
away
ever
from
driven one
home.
before?
Going to
Alright, Junior, so
My old Dodge Charger now belong to you. Give her the key to it. 'Cause I got this baby right here now.